Hi everyone, and welcome to my release number 4 of my knit along, and this is the what I've called the Beaded Twig Square, which is shown in the corner of the cushion here. For this you need to thread on 12 beads onto your yarn, and all the techniques used in this particular square will be featured in my tutorials on the Rowan YouTube website. And those abbreviations I'm using in this are C2R, C2L, C2B and C2F. Again, I hope you enjoy knitting it and learning some new cabling techniques as you go along. Many thanks.